Hello, good evening. How's everyone? I hope you're all enjoying the weather. It's pretty cold out here, so I'm also very comfortably and cozily, dressed up. So, in this cold weather, too much of rest also is not advisable. So, I'm back with one very small video, and today we are going to discuss certain terms. Now, terms means like, what is sericulture? Do you? Yes, it's the study of silk or how to produce silk. Then horticulture, it's like farming, growing of crops, etc. Right? So I was just thinking, and I thought that why not explore some terms which are a little lesser known to us. So before we start off with that, let me welcome you to Eloquent English Enterprise once again. So welcome viewers. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. My gratitude to you for believing in me and for following my channel. So here is my new logo. I thought in the new year, let me start off with something new. So here it is, Eloquent English Enterprise. And I won't take too much of your time. So let me just share my screen. Yes. So a big welcome once again to all my viewers to the channel. And let's start with the new terms. Now, these are some interesting terms which are not just any kind of terms, but different terms of different kinds of studies, right? Like I said, sericulture, horticulture, biology, chemistry. Of course, these are very, very well-known ones. So I have I've selected a few lesser known terms for today. So let's see what is this, the first one. Paleontology. Okay, this is paleontology. I'm sure you must have heard this. So what is it? Any ideas, guesses? Okay, here it is. This is the scientific study of fossils. We know what are fossils, right? Fossils are those excavated materials which have imprints of the creatures, the living organisms who have lived in the very prehistoric times. So it could be anything. Fossils could be of plants, they could be of animals, both aquatic and the ones who lived on land. Next one, taphonomy. What's this? Taphonomy. And what does it stand for? This studies the processes that led to the formation and preservation of fossils. Okay, I just spoke about fossils. How were they formed? How were they preserved? And this also makes you understand how organisms actually became fossilized and what information can be gleaned from them. What kind of information about the past, about the geographical conditions, about the climatic conditions, these fossils gave us. So this very, very difficult and extensive study is taphonomy. So this creature says, I also walked the earth long time ago. It was probably an earthling in those very, very old times. Next is astrobiology. Okay, this is astrobiology. Now we know what is astronomy, we know what is biology, but when we get these two terms together, what does it stand for? Okay, so this particular study investigates the possibility of life beyond the Earth, beyond planets, moons, or that is satellites, and any other celestial bodies for evidence of past or present life. Maybe there is life somewhere else. It's not possible that it's only the Earth which has life or which supports life. I'm sure. And even all the astronomers and the scientists all over the world, they're trying to find out the possibility of life beyond Earth, beyond our solar system, beyond our galaxy. Maybe we get some evidence. So this particular branch of study is astrobiology. Next one. Anthropology. Okay, this I'm sure lots of you and lots of us would have heard. anthropology. This is the study of the origin, development, and relationship between the culture of past and present human beings. That is, how did the living beings, basically the human beings, how did they originate, how did they develop, and what's their relation of the past culture and the present culture. So it's like, tying the threads together or putting the dots together to make something legible and understandable. This is anthropology. Now, cryobiology. Cryo, what does that stand for? Biology, yes. Some study of living beings. So let's find out what is cryobiology. This is the study of the effect of low temperature on organisms and their preservation. Like what happens when we lower the temperatures on different kinds of living beings. It could be human beings, it could be microorganisms, it could be just any living creature, and their preservation. Like once they die, can cryobiology help us in their preservation? So that is the study which is going on. I'm not going into the study, I'm just discussing the term. This is a little longish term, dendrochronology. Okay, dendrochronology. And what does this stand for? This is the counting and analyzing of annual growth rings of trees to know their age. I'm sure those of us who've studied botany in our school days would know that when there was a cross-section taken of bigger trees, these rings could be seen. And what I remember, my teacher told me, these were cambium rings, C-A-M-B-I-U-M, cambium rings, and every tree produces one ring per year. So these are annual, all right? And I also remember having seen a huge cross-section which was preserved in the FRI, the Forest Research Institute in Dehradun, and that tree was about more than 1,000 years old. And all of you who are enthusiasts can still visit the FRI in Dehradun and see it for yourself. Okay, cambium rings, do remember. Entomology. Okay, entomology. Ento, it's not something within us or inside us. It's something interesting. Let's see. This is the study of insects. Okay, insects all around us. And again, I'll not forget to mention, if you go to the FRI, do visit this section, and there you'll be able to see a lot of preserved insects, which are beautiful. In fact, I remember as a child when I visited for the first time and for the last time, I saw the queen of white ants, all right? So it is still there, it is still preserved, the white ants. Next one. Hydroponics. Hydroponics. So something related to water? Yes. So what exactly is it? This is the study of growing plants in water that contains nutrients. That is growing of plants without soil, simply in water. This is something new which has come up. So if you want to have a rooftop garden, you need not carry soil on top. You can try it with water. You'll have to hunt a little. You'll have to probably visit Google Baba, and that'll let you know how you can use this particular technology and grow plants on your rooftop anywhere, that, I mean, your choice, in water without soil. Pisciculture. So what does this remind us of? Pisces? Yes. This is the study of fish and how to rear them in the best of environments. So the rearing of fish is pisciculture. Photobiology, another kind of biology, photobiology, and I'm sure you would have guessed by now. What is this? It's the effect of light on various biological processes. Don't we know what is photosynthesis? Yes, in the presence of light and water and the air, a plant manufactures food for itself and of course for us. So photobiology is the effect of light on other beings, and how does it affect the biological processes. This is something unheard of, Zymergy. right? This is Zymergy. And that's the last one for today. What is this? This is that branch of chemistry. I'm sorry, that T is missing. That branch, or the branch of chemistry which deals with brewing and distilling. Okay, we know what is brewing. We all brew tea every day. And distilling, we know we get distilled water, and even distilleries are for making of the alcoholic drinks. So this branch of chemistry deals with brewing and distilling. So that was for today. Thank you so much for watching my channel, Eloquent English Enterprise. I'll be back again with something new, something more interesting, and I'll wait for your comments, in the inbox, and let's see. So please do comment and let me know whether you like this particular video or not. So till then, happy winters, enjoy yourselves, keep yourself warm, stay fit, stay healthy. Signing off for today. Bye-bye.